Do you find charts just like this one confusing? Do you find it difficult to make profit? Are you losing money with forex? You have come to the correct place. And in the end of this video, not only that, I will give you a bonus, something free, something that you really will be a game changer for you, and you can start to make money completely automatically. Okay, my name is Frode Skar. I've been trading forex for more than 20 years. And what I'm going to give you in this video is something different. Many can give you signals for free, but what they basically are doing, they just give you one signal, maybe once a week, something crappy, and then they are promoting their paid service. I don't have that. With me, you're getting completely free signals. Okay, they are a catch. They are a catch. And like I said, in the end of the video, you will love it, so wait till the end. So, the catch is, I would like you to sign up with my affiliate link, because then I get a small kickback every single time you're trading. And I have affiliate deal with brokers, so wherever you are in the world, even United States, I have a broker that is accepted for you. So make sure you use the link you find below the video, and there there you will see that you can sign up to one of them, and you will get all the information that you need to start trading together with me, and be not only getting my signals, be a part of my team, because I will give you inside information, how I'm thinking, why I'm taking the trades. So not only are you getting signals, you are even learning why I take the trades, why I'm closing the trades, and everything. And you are also allowed to ask me questions as long as you don't overdo it. So if you're taking a trade outside of my trades, for example, then you can ask me what I think about the trade and things like this. No problems. Just the thing is, I might take a little while before I reply to your question, because I do have my private times also. I like to relax, and I don't sit waiting for your question to reply right away. So as long as you give me time to reply, I will reply you. Okay, so if you're taking, for example, a 5-minute trade and you're going to close it in 2 hours, don't expect that I will sit there waiting for you and reply you right away. Don't work like this. So this is important. So now to the good part that you were waiting for. In top of all of this, I have 4 forex EAs, robots, that can start trading for you automatically. This is 4 EAs that I've tested myself, and they are making profit. I have not made this robot myself, but it's 4 that I have found that I will give for you completely for free. So in top of that, when you are signed up with one of the brokers that I have in the link below with the information there, just send me email after or DM me in Telegram, and I will send you these robots completely for free. This is for MetaTrader 4 and 5, so works both places. And here's also the thing. Some of you are already registered with a broker, maybe not even one of the ones in my list, and you want to use this, and you don't want to bother about changing broker and all these other things, get approved and all this. No worries. Here, of course, I don't give this away for free. So if you pay $49 a month, then you can join my VIP group. You can be chatting with me, have all the benefits and all this good stuff also. Just follow also the information you find with the link below, and you can do that also. So there you have it. I really hope I see you in my group, and we can start working together, and we can make you some profit. So with that, have an amazing day.